Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. It is going to be a Christmas clean and decorate with me part 1 of 2. So today I am cleaning and decorating our living room for Christmas, and then next week I will be cleaning and decorating my kitchen. Our Christmas tree is already up, yay! I'm so excited about that because for all my returning subscribers who've been with me and seen our tiny living room, I honestly did not think I would have the space for a Christmas tree. But that is a 6.5-foot Christmas tree that is pre-lit. I bought that from Walmart, and all of the decorations that I will be using also came from Walmart. And I shared all of this, you guys, over on my Instagram stories in case you missed it. It is saved to my highlights. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I share a lot of content there that I don't share here on YouTube. Some more personal things, some inspirational things that I really want you guys to be a part of. So without further ado, let's just get started. Because I know you guys are probably gonna ask, I did get these cute socks and headband from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has a lot of cute holiday decor. And actually, speaking of, in my next video next week, when I clean and decorate my kitchen, I will be using a lot of Dollar Tree Christmas decor. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. If you know me, you know I love Dollar Tree. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Dani. I'm a married stay-at-home mom of 4, and I'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of our growing tidy tribe. Every Monday, I upload a brand new cleaning motivation or organization video, and I'd hate for you to miss out. hate to say it, but I am such a type A personality that I have a hard time letting my kids decorate the Christmas tree. But they are getting older, and this is something that they actually look forward to doing. So I did let them put ornaments on the tree because I realized that Christmas is not about me and home decor. It's really about the kids and making it fun and festive for them. However, hopefully next year when we're in a bigger space, fingers crossed, I'm just going to give them this tree for them to have it so that they can do with it what they want. They can make it a whole holiday hot mess and I would not care because I will have my own tree that will be nice and perfect and just the way that I want it. So for our Christmas tree decorations, I went with something super simple. The colors that I chose this year were white, gold, and silver. I didn't want this tree to be super busy, especially because our living room is so tiny. I thought that adding too many ornaments and ribbon and all that stuff would just make our living room feel even more claustrophobic and closed in. So I just wanted something that was easy on the eye but still pretty. And I love the way that it turned out.
Such pleasure do you bring me.
See what I mean, you guys? Now, I specifically told them not to put the ornaments too close together. I mean, all I could do is laugh it off and fix it, right? Do you guys let your kids decorate the Christmas tree? Let me know.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
So at the last minute, I remembered that the tree skirt that I had did not match the tree decorations this year. So I thought that I would just use this white fleece throw blanket that I had in my bedroom instead. So I knew for this wall next to the tree, I wanted to hang some type of Christmas decor. But the wall art at Walmart was really pricey. So I found these yard signs in the Christmas section. They were only like $7, and I just was going to use these instead because they have a hook on the top of them that I could use for hanging. So I said, what's the difference? Okay, so obviously we don't have a fireplace, so I had this crazy idea to turn my TV stand into a mantle. And here's the thing. So I bought a pre-lit garland here, and I didn't have any outlets left behind the TV. So I had to wrap this garland behind the Christmas tree to reach it all the way to the same outlet that the Christmas tree was using. And I tried to make this look as less tacky as possible. So it kind of looks like the garland is an extension of the Christmas tree. So I had to get up under this tree and wrap the garland over the tree's branches. I mean, it was a whole task. Was it worth it? I think it was. Will I do it again? Probably yes, but I would make sure that it looks a little bit more neat. But I wasn't being too picky with this thing. I was just happy that I had a place to hang my kids' stockings, which you guys will see in a bit. And I'm just using ornament hooks to attach the stockings to this garland.
Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young.
I just love the way our small living room turned out. I cannot believe that I actually pulled it off and created space for a Christmas tree.
Hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time.
If you guys are dealing with a small space situation like I am, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so we can connect there too. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter